Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you're fine. I'm good. All right. So it's activity time. We are going to practice our English speaking and try to improve our speaking by speaking. Okay. तो इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करनी है तो स्पीक करना है और स्पीक करना है तो स्पीक कैसे करना है. Okay. So one of the method, one of the way to speak is to find a topic, find an activity and practice it and use different words and practice your English. So here we are with an activity. Today we are going to practice our imperative sentences. Okay, we learned imperative sentences, what are those, and we also learned that we use imperative sentences for giving instructions. So today we will learn how to make a paper aeroplane, and I've got a newspaper page. Okay, so I'll give you instructions. I'll try my level best, and I guess you know how to do it, but let's do it in English. Okay, so first of all, you have a newspaper page. Okay, I've got it for me. All right, so first of all, what you have to do, that you have to hold both pages, both sides of page in similar way, एक अंदाज में. Okay, in a triangular shape. Okay, see, it's a triangular shape. Okay, and you have to keep them, like match them in the center, like this. It is one triangular and it is second triangular, like that is the right angle. Okay, it should be equal. It should not be big like this. One should be one big, one is small. No, make the equal triangle. Okay, there are three sides. Just keep in mind that it should be equal. When it is equal, fix it. Okay, hold one side from one okay, hold it from one hand and then fix it in this manner. See, I am fixing it, making it fixed. Fix it on the side. Okay, so it is now complete triangle. Okay, two small triangles make a complete triangle. Okay, then what to do? Fold it downwards to the edge of the triangle edge. Okay, so I am just keeping the scale so that it could be accurate. Keep the scale. Okay, and fold it. Okay, so I just have the scale, then fix it. Take out the scale as a scale. Okay, I have fixed it. Okay, then do it again from right side, like fold it, not to the bottom, keep the space. Okay, leave a small triangle. Okay, fold it and bring another part as well. Now both the sides should be equal. Okay, there, keep the space in center. Keep the space. Now see, both the sides are equal. Hold it and then just fix it. Use your finger to fix it. Have you fixed? Yes, I have fixed. Then turn or fold the page, fold the remaining part upside to have a lock. Okay, to keep the lock, to lock the both sides, lock करने के लिए, to both lock sides, fold it upside. Okay, after folding it, turn the page. Okay, in this manner, and I just hold the lock and turn the page. Turn the page and then keep it in the equal size, like just equal it both sides. So see, it is equal from here, like here, you see, equal it, and then keep it down and turn the page half page to make it equal to the lock. Okay, make the lock, hit the lock, and try to equal it from the both sides. See, here and here it is complete. So when the both sides match, fix it. Okay, do same with the other side as well. Fold the page. Okay, match the sides equally. I have matched the sides. Okay, I have made the sides. Okay, see, my both sides are equal. Then after matching the sides, fix it. After fixing, see, just fold it, fix it. You can use glue as well to fix the lock. Okay, because the locks open again and again. Okay, done. Your airplane is ready. Now just pick from the center from your lock and then open like give a space to your wings. These are the wings of your airplane, and your airplane is ready to fly. So what you have to do, you have to just keep it and the plane goes like that. So this is how you can make a paper airplane out of paper. So thank you so much. I hope it was good. So this is how you can practice, like I use different imperative sentences and other sentences as well. Thank you so much for it, and now let's see, I guess it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.